Welcome to Cosine's Proof Point series. Today we are looking at making the tasks page truly mobile friendly. No more pinching, scrolling, or clipped buttons. Even on a small mobile screen, everything fits. Filters, actions, and new tasks without horizontal scroll. And here is some context for you. The desktop tasks table was great, but on phones the toolbar overflowed, icons repeated, and actions wrapped. We needed a clean mobile layout without touching the desktop experience. And here is what we asked Cosine to do. Keep desktop unchanged, but make the tasks page work beautifully on small screens. Preserve the same filters on by default, prevent the new task button from wrapping ever. And here is what Cosine built. Used use screen size context to switch layouts only on mobile and reworked on the toolbar into a vertical stack. Ensure the new task button and its icon never shrink or wrap. Converted rows to tidy cards on mobile, white backgrounds, tighter spacing, and the correct status icon per card. Trias is now one-handed and instant. Tap to filter, tap to create, tap to change state. No junk, no sideways scroll. The desktop view remains pixel for pixel identical. Targeted refactor, zero regressions. A simpler layout powered by one responsive hook saves developers time every day and makes the tasks page feel first class on mobile.